Good evening friends, my name is Ayush Narang and the project is Reimbursement System. For this project we are having 3 group members, me, Ramadeep Kaur and Kripa, and this is the client detail given, website, email and all. In this presentation I'm going to explain what we did so far as a group and what is my role here as well. So this is the project description where we're going to understand what is the role, what is the need of this project. In the offline system, in the earlier system, an employee has to fill the reimbursement form in the offline manner and has to get it signed by the CEO and the manager. But in the new system, he doesn't have to worry about all these things. It takes a lot of time. It's efficient and all. In the project roadmap, we make sure that we deliver the complete product within the time with all the functionality working and all. So we divided the work among the team members so that we can finish the project on time. A stakeholder for this project is client, supervisor, member of the project, and the Federation University. These are the use cases for the entire project: login, reimbursement form, approve, reject, travel form, expense report, which I'm going to discuss later on. So these are the design part we have created so far. For the login screen, for the reimbursement form screen, these are the action required on form screen, this is the travel form screen, this is the expense report screen. Now we come to the individual activities. What is my role here? As I mentioned, we have created the 5 screens. So among the 5 screens, I have created the two screens, which is login screen, the reimbursement form screen. I have also created a database structure. I have also created a connection between these web application and the SQL server to test whether it's working or not. So I have maintained the connection between these two. So we have used the C# programming language for the as a front end, as an SQL server as a backend. So now I'm gonna show you, like, this is the running application, yeah. So I'm gonna show you when employee entered his ID and his name, then he is able to move to the next screen. When I click on submit, a reimbursement form screen will open. So it means at the back end, I'll show you that ID. This is the ID 121 and I usually saved here as well. So that is how it works. So this is the second screen I have created. This is the reimbursement form where an employee can enter the multiple dates, like multiple accounts and all. Employee can fill this form by giving all the detail like amount, date, proof and all. Once this form is submit, it will go to the CEO and the manager. Now I'm gonna explain what I learned so far. I have learned C#, I have learned like SQL server, the basic queries I mean. I also learned the MVC. MVC is basically the model view and controller, uh, and I also learned how to make a connection between the web application and the SQL server, and I have used the ADO.NET model. The harder I faced only is like while creating a connection between the web application and the server. It was just because of the configuration and all the configuration has to be matched with each and everything for the you can say the version of it. I was using the earlier version of SQL version. It was maybe due to that, I don't understand, but finally I was able to get it connected with the web application. That's all. Thank you.